You are planning a visit to Casa Batlló, and we are going to help you make the most of it. In this video, you are going to learn how much will it cost you? Are there any discounts? When can you visit? What is there to see? Stay tuned as we're going to take a breathtaking journey to the heart of Barcelona, Spain, to explore a true architectural gem designed by Antoni Gaudí, the unparalleled Casa Batlló. Let's dive in and discover why this place is a must-visit on any Barcelona itinerary. Don't forget to enable subtitles. Getting to Casa Batlló is a breeze. If you're using the metro, just hop off at Passeig de Gràcia station, literally just across. There is also a bus stop right outside. If you're already exploring the city center, it's just a pleasant walk away from other popular sites like Plaza de Catalunya and La Rambla. Casa Batlló is open 365 days a year from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m., so you have ample time to explore this masterpiece. Be sure to check the website for any changes due to special events though. You can see the link in the description tab. Estimate that it will take you about 75 minutes to admire this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Also, the visit can be carried out in a wheelchair. Ticket prices start at around €25 for a basic visit, but there are various options available. Usually, the last day access is at 6:15 p.m., but there are options for extra tickets with winter nighttime tours or early morning tours with fewer visitors. Naturally, all these perks come at an extra cost. Entrance to children up to 12 years old is free. There is also a discount for Barcelona card or pass customers. Ticket prices at the counter have an increase of €4 on all online prices. There's so much to see at Casa Batlló. From the whimsical facade that changes color depending on your angle and light, to the mesmerizing noble floor where the Battlo family used to live, to the mythical rooftop with its chimneys that look like medieval knights. Built between 1904 and 1906, Casa Batlló is a remodel of a previously built house. Its design is a stunning display of Gaudí's unparalleled imagination with marine inspirations, organic shapes, and vibrant colors. The building is popularly known as Casa dels Ossos, House of Bones, due to its bone-like, organic structure. Situated in the Eixample district, it is part of a series of houses designed by eminent modernista architects from Barcelona. As you have seen at the start of the video, the ground floor is particularly striking with intricate tracery, irregular oval windows, and fluid stone sculptures. Straight lines are a rarity in its design, and a significant portion of the facade is adorned with a vibrant mosaic of shattered ceramic tiles. The roof, shaped like an arch, is often compared to the spine of a dragon or dinosaur. A popular interpretation of the building suggests that the round feature on the left, culminating in a turret and cross at the top, symbolizes the lance of St. George, Catalonia's patron saint, embedded in the back of the dragon. While preserving its historic charm, Casa Batlló hasn't shied away from modern additions. The augmented reality SmartGuide, for example, allows you to see how the Battlo family lived over a century ago. Plus, the exhibition Gaudí's Universe offers a deeper insight into the mind of the genius. This video was shot before the latest multimedia updates, including the restoration of the Sky Garden. Casa Batlló is a place where art, history, and innovation intertwine. Have you been there? Share your impressions in the comments. It takes detailed planning and a long time to shoot, edit, and create this content. If our videos add value to your travels, show some love by liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell, and staying tuned for more. Your support helps us grow Bestravelvideo and ensures we keep bringing you top-notch content. For more travel destinations with details and photos, go to our dedicated travel page, bestravelvideo.com. Before you leave, check out this captivating video.